Hey guys, it's Dan Froelke here from Naples, Florida. I want to do a very quick shout out to my longtime marketing friend, Brian Davis, in this brand new system that he just created. Now, Brian and I go back a long ways. As a matter of fact, one of the very first systems that I've ever had success with was a system that he created, about 11, 12 years ago. And I had tremendous success with it. So when I found out that Brian was behind this one, I jumped right in. I didn't hesitate because I knew it would be rock solid. Now, this system puts your Wise payment link on other people's pages. Then you get paid $20 over and over again, multiple times per week, and sometimes multiple times per day, like I am doing. Check this out.
We're using a company called Wise to receive these payments. Wise is an international payment service and it's available in most countries. You can link your bank account and transfer the money directly to your account. These $20 payments are paid directly to us. The company never touches your money. There's no middleman and you get paid instantly.
Now, I'm not the only one having success with this system. You can check out a lot of testimonials from average everyday people on our page, and we're adding more each and every week. So I want to thank Brian Davis for creating the viral $20 Wise machine. It is an awesome system. Again, if you have never made a dime online, this is a system for you. And I put a lot of things in place to help you even make even more of these $20 instant payments. All you have to do is click the link below and join my team. Thank you, Brian. You nailed it again.